Multimedia and Information and Communication Technology or ICT in the 21st century. These two have greatly changed the way we live, learn, and connect with one another. First, we have here life before ICT and multimedia. Before ICT and multimedia, communication and access to information were much slower. People relied on handwritten letters, landlines, phones, and libraries. Entertainment was limited to newspapers, radios, and televisions. Life was more manual and it often took longer to finish tasks. Second is life after ICT and multimedia. But today, thanks to ICT and multimedia, almost everything has become faster and more accessible. Communication is instant through video calls, emails, and social media. Third, the benefits in the 21st century. In short, multimedia and ICT helps us save time, stay connected, and open opportunities across education, business, government, and even our personal life. They bridge distances, support creativity, and make informations available to almost anyone, anywhere. Here's the conclusion. To sum it up, life before ICT and multimedia was slow and limited. But in the 21st century, they have transformed our world into one that is more connected, more efficient, and full of possibilities. Truly, ICT and multimedia are not just tools, but powerful partners in shaping our future.